What's good, fellow humans, and welcome to FPV Fears. Now, anyone that flies FPV quads can attest to it being considered an adrenaline sport or activity. You know, something like, I don't know, skydiving, swimming with sharks, or even getting in a high-speed chase with the cops or some shit. And although adrenaline sports can be fun as shit, they usually come with a certain set of fears, and that's what we're going to discuss in this little series. Now in FPV, I think there's one fear that ranks amongst the highest in the majority of pilots' heads, especially early on in the hobby. So I think it's only fitting we start the series with what I call the classic fear in FPV, flying over water. And I hardly trust this with a GPS or a camera drone, but with FPV quads, I trust that shit even less. You know, for whatever reason, if I lose control, my drone don't just skirt and hover there, man. That shit's just gonna drop and right in the drink. Now the other day I went to go and rip down at the River Brando, y'all saw in my last video, but there were too many people around and shit like that, so I grabbed out the Cinebot 30, decided to quit being a little bitch and face my fears to bring y'all some kind of cinematic footage of some river cruising, so check it out.
Moon